What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Good morning, I think. Maybe afternoon. I don't know. It is the next day from part one. Went to the hardware store today. Got a jigsaw. Got a jigsaw for the cuts I'm going to have to make. The cuts I'm going to have to make right, where am I? Right here. So this goes all the way out. I got an 80 tooth blade for my saw. Finer cuts, nicer cuts. The 60 tooth blade did pretty well, but the more teeth you have, finer cut. So yeah, we're gonna pick up right where we left off today, or right where we left off last night. I'm gonna try and get a. I also got a turbo level. I had one of those. No idea where it went. I got a turbo level. I got a. I can't remember what it's called. Another level. It's some kind of level. What else did I get? Got some white stain. Again, this is a friend's. This is not my colors. I'm gonna do the legs down here in a white stain, and then the top shelf I'm gonna do in that gray that I did the nightstand on. So I think it'll look all right, I guess, with the gray laundry baskets. Yeah, I guess that's about all I got from my hardware store, I believe. Just a few more things. So yeah, we're gonna pick up right where we left off last night. I'm gonna try and get these measurements and get it all screwed in and figure it out from there. I figured might as well do an unboxing of my new jigsaw. Nothing special, just a Performax. It was like 45 bucks or something like that. But let's do an unboxing anyway, shall we? All right. Oh, let's see. Oh, geez. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, geez. Oh, man. Ooh. Even comes in this sexy little carrying case. Look at that. I was actually not inspecting that. That's kind of nice. Coin a noise. Open. Let's throw this over there. Sorry. All right. Little. Yeah. Before returning tool to the store, call us first, man. All righty. Okay, it's strapped down. It's still strapped down. There we go. Look at that. Changing the blade will be interesting because, you know, I've never dealt with a jigsaw before, but there's not bad. I think it's got a little dust thing here, a little dust collection. I'm rather impressed actually with the. What the hell is that for? What is this for? These two strap down, whatever. This must be a adapter for, yep, and it sure is. Maybe that's for that. That's my best guess for the vacuum adapter. Got a little rail guide, and that goes right here. I actually might use this. That might be nice. That might be Real nice. That goes right there. I gotta do the Allen wrench screws though. Comes with 2 blades, 1 metal, 1 wood. I was hoping there was going to be a Allen wrench in here, but there is not. I mean, I have some, but would have been easier with one in here, obviously. That actually surprises me with the whole case thing. I mean, it's not nothing special, but you know, it's at least a case to carry it around. Not bad. Oh, hey, just noticed. It's on the power cord. So it does come in an Allen wrench. Super duper. I did it. I did it. I got the rails in, screwed down, and it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Here's the I do still have to put a top on this, obviously. This will be plywood and then trimmed out with 1x2s all the way around. And then back here, I'm going to put a 1x2 from here to here on all 3 of them, just, you know, so they don't come out the back. Yeah. I am actually, let's do that unboxing, shall we? Whatever. I got a new skill saw, circular saw, whatever. Let me grab that and let's unbox. Let's unbox that. Good enough. Ow! Ooh, another nice little. Okay, I figured it was going to be in there, but apparently not. Alrighty. Ah, that's right. I actually bought a saw blade for this too. Alright, just your natural, your everyday circular saw. Nothing special about it, really. If I can get this off, there we go. So, it came with a blade, I'm guessing. Yeah. Came with a blade, but it's only a 24 tooth. I have a 60 tooth. Somewhere. So, found it. What are they gonna put the freaking UPCs? Okay, well, it's just gonna get sawed off anyway. All right. So yeah, just a 60 tooth instead of the 24 that it comes with. Two and a half horsepower, in case you're wondering, 15 amp. I did end up cutting out the top, this one right here, the top of the thing. I have to get some pocket holes in here, along there, and along here to screw up into it, and then what else? That's just about it. Oh, and then I got braces in the back. Braces for the back, and it's gonna serve as a brace and kind of a stopper, so the basket won't push out the back. So, but that is all that's left of the build itself, so not much. Hopefully I'll be able to get that done tonight. So I guess I will get some pocket holes going and get that top on. All right, I got the I got the build done. the build itself. I still got to sand and stain and poly, but the build is done. It is, this time around, I'm just kind of trying new stuff, whatever. This time around, I'm trying to just glue this trim here, this top trim. Trying not to use nails. I don't even honestly know if that's possible or not. I'm sure the glue will hold. I don't know if it'll hold really well without nails. Whatever, I guess I'll find out. I don't know. As you all know, I'm a beginner, so I don't know. But supposedly the glue is supposed to be stronger than wood, so we'll find out. But yeah, it's the build is completely done. Like I said, it is drying right now. It's hence all the freaking 900 clamps. Okay, 6, but I kind of wish I had a 4th clamp. Just saying. But yeah, build's done. So that's gonna do it for this video. I guess this will be a part 2. I don't know how much of the whole sanding and staining and polying you guys really care about. Yeah, I guess I'll make the sanding. I'll do like a sanding, a video for the sanding and staining and polying. But yeah, so this will be part 2. That'll be the end of this video. Again, let me know what you guys think. I feel like I need more video of the actual build, but like, how many screws do you guys want to see actually go into wood? You know, I don't know. But let me know how I'm doing. Please let me know how I'm doing. Suggestions on everything, really. Suggestions on the videos, how to improve them, because I know they can get improved. I feel like this is more of a vlog almost, but maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, let me know. Until part 3 of basket thingy, I will see you guys later. Remember to like. Hopefully you guys will subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Later, everybody.